So, hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Simplify Maths with Lalit. Hope everyone is doing great, awesome as always. So, in the last two classes, we discussed about circles, right? And this is the third class of circles. If you haven't watched the video, please go through and watch the video, and then we can start with the third video. Okay, so yes everyone, very good evening, very good afternoon, very good morning whenever you're seeing this video. I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rankawat. I heartily welcome each one of you in our YouTube channel. So let's get started quickly about the chapter. Okay, so what we're gonna do in our today's class. Okay, so we're gonna do scope is this: parametric form, position of a point with respect to circle, position of a line with respect to circle, and we're gonna have the SLQs, right? So quickly let's discuss that. Okay, yes, awesome guys. Okay, so let's get started with the first we have with us on our plate. We have with us is the parametric form, equation of circle and parametric form. Okay, what does parameters means? See, actually when we talk about our general equation of circle, let's say easiest one, let's see, x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay, so if I take a circle, center is 0 comma 0, radius is a, so any point is x comma y on the circle. Now my aim is, everyone, to write these two variables into a single variable where a is an arbitrary constant, okay, the radius. So I have to write this in a single variable. So how I can do that, that is my main aim. So quickly we'll see that this is our circle. Consider this is theta, this is a, this is your x, this is your y. Let's use cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, x is a cos theta. Similarly, let's use sin theta. Sin theta is y by a, so y is equal to a sin theta. Oh yes, so what we call is the parametric form of a circle is x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. And how we generally denote that as p of theta. If p of theta is mentioned, then we'll directly write, okay, x is a cos theta, y is a sin theta. Very easy, not at all tough. Okay, let's see one question and then we'll see other forms as well. Okay, everyone with me? Yes. Okay, let's see one question. Question is x square plus y square is equal to let's take 8, write the parameters. Okay, write the parameters for the given circle. So we know that x is a cos theta and y is b, sorry, y is also a sin theta, it's not ellipse. Okay, a is not 8, right? 8 is a square, a is root 8, root 8 is 2 root 2. How everyone? Root 4 into root 2, so 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. There is a song also. X is 2 root 2 cos theta, y is also 2 root 2 sin theta. Very easy. Yes, these are the parametric form. Now the point is, this is the simplest form when we talk about. If it is given in this format, let's say x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to r square. Write the parameter, write the parameters, or write in parametric form for this circle, right? This type of form of circle. So don't get confused, okay, whether it's plus or minus. Trust me, it's very easy. Just write this into this format: capital X square, capital Y square equal to r square or a square, whatever suits you, right? So we know that its equation is capital X is equal to r cos theta, capital Y is equal to r sin theta. And what you have assumed, capital X is x minus x1. So x minus x1 is r cos theta. Now you can find out x is x1 plus r cos theta. So the point is, don't remember this, right? As जितने कम formulas हम याद करेंगे उतना easy रहेगा ना. Try to remember as less formulas as possible. And the point here is try to form a pattern. It would make your life easy. ठीक है, तो हम बनाएंगे पैटर्न, बहुत पैटर्न बनाएंगे, बट आप भी थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे देखो तो अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, so y is equal to y1 plus r cos theta. Okay, so r sin theta, sorry. So what we are able to understand, if it is of this format, so direct write capital X equal to r cos theta, capital Y is r sin theta. Okay, let's see one question. Question is, for example, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6x plus 2, 3, and this is going to be 4 plus 9, 13 plus 25 Okay, let's take this as minus 12. Okay, है ना, write the parameters what we'll use. So बहुत easy है. What we have to do is, okay, so either you can just try to write in when we talk about this format. ठीक है, इस format में लिखो. तो easy is x1. See, x1 is, if you are able to remember directly the formula is nothing but this is x1 and y1 are nothing but your center, right? x1 and y1 are your center plus r sin theta r cos theta. So one way would be x is center. What is center? Center is minus 2 when we talk about plus r radius. Let's find out radius. Radius is going to be root g square. G is, when we talk about 2 square, 2 square would be 4, and minus 2 by 3, which is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9, and then minus c, minus plus t. Which formula I'm using, everyone? G square plus f square minus c. Now this should be on your fingertips, right? अभी इसमें time waste नहीं होना चाहिए हमारा. Root 25 which is 5, so plus 5 cos theta. Y is, let's divide this by 2, minus 2, sorry, it's 3, and it's going to be plus 5 sin theta. This is one way, okay, directly if you can remember the formula. Otherwise, use the completing the whole square. So x square plus 4x plus y square minus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. So this is going to be x plus 2 whole square. Okay, I will write slowly if anyone have the confusion. Okay, first I will write quickly, then I will just explain what I've done. Okay, try to understand. Okay, in this way will level up. So it's going to be x plus 2 whole square, this is y minus 3 whole square, and there is plus 4, so it's going to be minus 4, plus 9, it's going to be minus 9 equal to 0. If you're able to understand, great. If not, no problem, I'm there for you, don't worry. So the point is, see, first what we do is, like, it's a square plus 2a. Now what I should multiply, so just the point is divide this by 2, which is nothing but 2. So it's plus, so it's plus, so it's going to be plus b square and then minus b square. This is completing the whole square. So this is nothing but this. Similarly, what I can do is y and divide this by 2, which is 3, so y minus 3 square. So what I would done here is plus 9, like 3 square, that's the reason minus 9. Make sense? Yes, easy peasy lemon squeezy, everyone. Awesome guys, you are great. So let's write this. This is going to be x plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square is 25, which is 5 square. So now directly I can relate with this x, and this is y, and this is a. So capital X, which is x plus 2, is equal to r cos theta capital Y. Okay, this is capital X square capital Y square, and this is y minus 3 is 5 sin theta. And eventually you can write x is minus 2 plus 5 cos theta, y is 3 plus 5 sin theta. Yes, if you are able to recall the formulas, great, then write this, but try to remember this capital X capital Y wala method. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Everyone with me? Yes, we have seen 2 questions, very easy one. I mean, now let's go in the reverse order. Reverse order means, so like parameter would be given you to find out the circle. Like circle was given, you used to find out the parameters, right? Now अभी उल्टी पलटी कर देंगे हम. तब क्या होगा? Let's see क्या होगा. कुछ तो होगा, मंजूर खुदा होगा. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या है? 2 क्वेश्चन दिखता है ना. First is find the parametric form of EOC. EOC is end of cycle, no, equation of cycle. चलो बढ़िया. X square y square px plus py equal to 0. Here what is one thing what I can observe apart from parametric form? Here the constant part is 0, so the equation is passing through origin. Very good, awesome guys. चलो तो फटाफट लिखते हैं. अब देखो, let's try learn to write directly, है ना. So it's gonna be x plus, as I said, divide this by 2, so it's gonna be p by 2 square, है ना. दिमाग बनेगा directly everyone. Otherwise you can pause and slowly write, but try to learn, है ना. फिर हम upscale कैसे करेंगे अपने आप को. y plus p by 2 y square. Yes, all with me? Yes. जो भी इधर है divide by 2, like in the last question it was कहाँ गया ये रहा 4, तो 4 divide by 2 2, so 2 आया. This divide by 2 minus 3, है ना. ठीक है, तो वेरिएबल आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है, सही है. p by 2. Now then what we have done is here 4 2 square which is 4, so plus 4 minus 4 plus 9 minus 9, तो ये दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. So minus p square by 4 minus p square by 4 equal to 0. Yes, all with me. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. La 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 la. Okay, let's take this on the other side. और यहाँ पे भी कर लो. So it's gonna be p square by 2. किसको समझ में आया? बहुत बढ़िया. नहीं आया तो धीरे धीरे हौले. p square plus p square, 2p square by 4, 2 cancel, p square by 2. Yes, all with me. Now what I can write this as x plus p by 2 whole square, y plus p by 2 whole square is, what is the radius? Radius is not p by 2, radius is p by root 2. Okay. Now we'll compare this with x square plus y square is equal to a square. So it's x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. Let's use x is this, x plus p by 2 is a is p by root 2 cos theta, y plus p by root 2 is p by root 2 sin theta. अरे यहाँ पे p by root 2 कैसे आ गया? 2 आएगा. ठीक है, चलो let's write this. So x is equal to minus p by 2 plus p by root 2 cos theta, y is minus p by 2 plus p by root 2 sin theta. Yes, so these are the parameters, है ना. और सब बढ़िया. ठीक है, अब p by 2 कॉमन ले लो. ओके, हाँ, जस्ट वन थिंग, एक सेकेंड मैं बता रहा हूँ. कहाँ गया. ओके, हाँ. सो दिस थीटा ऑलवेज लाइज फ्रॉम 0 to 2 pi, है ना. 2 pi नॉट इंक्लूडेड. और यू कैन राइट थीटा बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 2 pi ओपन ब्रैकेट. थीटा 0 हो सकता है या मैक्सिमम 2 pi. 2 pi नहीं होगा, और ना फिर वो 0 2 pi सेम हो जाएगा. Got the point? This is how the theta would lie. The parametric form where theta is the parameter. Theta form क्या बोलते हैं? Theta ही हमारा parameter है. Those who have seen parabola and all, we take that t to 80 square comma 280, तो वहाँ पे t parameter होता था. याद है? बहुत बढ़िया. नहीं है? No problem. अभी हम है ना सब करेंगे. चलो ठीक है, चलो done. So what we have done in this question, we have come. So what we have done in this question is that we have basically learned how to directly use like the completing the whole square method and write that. In case if you are not able to recall the formula, this is the point is a cos theta, a sin theta. This is capital X, capital Y. That is the approach. Yes, everyone with me, you are able to understand, enjoy, feeling maths is interesting. Yes, great guys. Chalo, let's move towards next part. Next part we have it is एक और क्वेश्चन इसका ले लेते हैं, फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. सो विल ट्राई टू कीप दिस क्लास नॉट लाइक, वोंट कीप दिस एज वेरी लेंदी क्लास. ठीक है, ताकि सभी लोग अच्छे से पढ़ पाएँ. और ये प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए कि इज 50 minutes more than for you or not, because generally for JEE 1.5 hour class everyone have, ठीक है, ताकि हम क्लासेस कम रख सकें और चैप्टर ज़्यादा जल्दी कर पाएँ. बट येस एवरीवन, एज वी हैव डिस्कस कि हम आपके हिसाब से भी चलेंगे, तो आप भी बताइए कि कैसा क्या आपको सुटेबल है. ठीक है, चलिए. और वीडियो पूरा देखना है वन गो में, है ना, रुकना नहीं है. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द सेंटर एंड radius. Radius of the circle whose parameters are. ठीक है, देखो क्वेश्चन भी हम साथ साथ में लिख रहे हैं ताकि आप एक एक साथ पढ़ो, एक साथ पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं लिख के रख रहे हैं. ठीक है, टाइप करके रख सकते हैं, वो आप नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, ताकि आप पढ़ो, आपका दिमाग चले. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट सेंटर एंड रेडियस whose parameters are x is equal to -1 plus 2 cos theta, y is equal to 3 plus 2 sin theta. First thing is, can everyone tell me what is the radius? Try to observe. 2, very good. What is the center? -1 and 3, +1 and 3. Chalo, let's see how to see. Correct. Those who are directly able to see, you are doing great. So the point is, see, whenever we have to find equation of circle, does equation of circle consist of theta? Yes or no? Quickly tell me. No, na, x square y square 2gx 2fi plus c. So what we'll do in this type of question is, everyone, that will remove the variable, will remove the parameter which is theta. अभी theta को कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? cos theta sin theta को कैसे हटा सकते हैं? cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Everyone knows this. Yes, so let's write cos theta डायरेक्ट लिखना सीखेंगे सभी लोग. It's x plus 1. Yes, -1 will go on that side and divide by 2, divide by 2. This is cos theta, and we have sin theta, y minus 3 by 2. Correct. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So let's do cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This is x plus 1 whole square by 4, y minus 3 whole square by 4 multiplied here. x plus 1 square y minus 3 square is equal to 4. What is the center? Center is minus 1 comma 3 and radius is not 4, radius is 2. Yes, everyone, all with me? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Are we able to understand? Yes, we are not going that fast. Okay, we are going slowly. So find the center and radius of the circle whose parameters are this. So we'll eliminate the theta. That is the main aim. Okay, understand? You are able to understand? Great guys. आगे बढ़े. चलो first topic हो गया. Second topic पे चलते हैं. Position of a point with respect to circle. अरे इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है if there is a circle, sorry, minus g comma minus f is the center and there is a point x1 comma y1, then can you tell me whether this point is on the circle or when we talk about inside the circle or outside the circle. Okay, example के तौर पे this is question x square y square 4x minus 5 plus 8 equal to 0, some sort of, let's say this is given. ठीक है, now they are asking 2 comma minus 5, is this on the circle, is this inside the circle, is this outside the circle? On the circle is very easy, you substitute and you check. How to check whether it is this and that? So once there is obviously the direct formula, which will obviously learn the direct formula only and will remember that. But how is that coming? So let's understand that. Okay, why the reason for that is you will understand approach, है ना, कि ऐसे आया कैसे, तो ऐसे approach आनी चाहिए एग्जाम में, वो important है. So what we'll do is, let's say first case, let's say this is outside. So what I can say, let's say this distance is d and this distance is r. So can I say outside means d is greater than r? Yes. How to find out distance? We'll understand. If it is on the circle, then d is equal to r. Yes. Third, if it is inside, kya baat hai everyone? How come you are so smart? Okay, d is less than r. Okay, what is d? D is distance between the two. Let's find out the distance between the two, which goes like root over x1 minus of minus g, which is x1 plus g square plus y1 plus f square is greater than radius. Radius कितना है? g square f square minus c. Let's open this. अभी बहुत easy formula बनेगा. Don't get confused, है ना? So square and open on both side. Positive तो square करने से inequality sign won't change. So this is x square 2 gx1 plus g square y1 square plus 2 y1f और fy1. क्या लिखें? f लिख देते हैं. fy1 and और क्या बच गया? और क्या बच गया? कुछ तो बच गया. Plus f square is greater than g square f square minus c. gf cancel. Sorry, this is okay. And this minus will go on that side. x1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f1 plus c is greater than 0. अभी इतना टफ कंडीशन याद करनी है? नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. अभी देखो पैटर्न से लाइफ इजी बनेगी. y1 भी आ जाएगा. Okay, this y1 would also come. So the point is everyone, if it is outside, so this sign would be greater. If this is on the circle, this is equal to. If this is inside, it is less than 0. Make sense? Yes. Okay. अभी देखो, अब हम कुछ notations सीखेंगे. ठीक है, तो कुछ common notation याद कर लेते हैं. इन्होंने तो लिख के नहीं दिया है, मैंने कहीं पे लिखा था. चलो ठीक है, हम याद कर लेते हैं. एक सेकंड रुक जाता है. सारे के सारे ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. ओके, अब देखो सम स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशन याद कर लो. ओके, स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशन क्या है? फर्स्ट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इज एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर 2gx, because we'll use this as the shortcut, plus c equal to 0. We write this as s. S means equation of circle, which is x square y square 2gx 2fy plus c. इसको हम s बोलेंगे. Whenever we say s equal to 0 means this is the case. Now let's see the first case. First case is s1. S1 means at x and y substitute x1. Some places they use s11. Okay, s11 भी use करते हैं बहुत जगह. 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. ठीक है. ओके, ये लिख लो एक बार. हाँ, जस्ट अ सेकेंड हम घूम गए इसमें एक और चीज़ मुझे आपको जो बतानी थी। ठीक है, ओके। We use S1 in normally CBSE and all. In our Telangana State Board we use S11. हाँ, यही बताना था ना। So S11 we use normally everywhere in CBSE, like in north side. S11 you will use in Telangana State Board. ठीक है, तो both are the same thing. Just understand this approach. Okay, तो मैं slash करके भी लिख देता हूँ S11, है ना। ठीक है, तो since most of our kids are Telangana State Board, so we'll prefer S11. Okay, but I will just let you know कि बार बार क्या है S11. Okay, so now the point is just substitute the point which is x1 y1 is nothing but S11. बहुत easy. First case, if it is outside के लिए क्या था, greater than 0, so this is nothing but S11. x1 square y1 square 2gx1 2f y1. oh yes. अच्छा, एक मैक्सिमम मिनिमम डिस्टेंस भी लिखना रह गया स्कोप में, वो भी हम इसमें इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं। चलो तो फटाफट हम लिख लेते हैं। सो इट वुड बी लाइक S11 ग्रेटर देन 0, पॉइंट इज आउटसाइड, है ना। अब ये याद रख लेना है, S11 इक्वल टू 0, पॉइंट इज ऑन द सर्कल। क्वेश्चन करते हैं, S11 इज लेस देन 0, पॉइंट इज इनसाइड द सर्कल। ठीक है, इजी, यस। चलो एक क्विक क्वेश्चन इस पे। इसके ज़्यादा डेप्थ पे नहीं जाएंगे हम। क्वेश्चन इज लोकेट पोजीशन ऑफ पॉइंट। पॉइंट क्या है, 2,4 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सर्कल x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So how to do S11? S11 means substitute that point here. So this is 2 square plus 4 square minus 4x, x is 2, y is 4 plus 11. This is 4. अब थोड़ा डायरेक्ट लिखना सीखें, प्लस प्लस 4 plus 16, 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 11, 20 plus 11, 20 plus 11 is 31, minus 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 plus 24, 8 plus 24, 32. So this is minus 1. So what we can say, S11 is less than 0, implies what we can say, 2,4 lies inside the circle. Inside ही आ रहा है, inside ही आ रहा है। ठीक है, easy peasy lemon squeezy. How to check whether this point lies inside outside? So बहुत ही आसान है। The first thing what you have to do is just substitute the point. If it is equal to 0, it is on the circle. If it is less than 0 inside, it is than 0 outside. चलो बहुत बढ़िया। Everyone with me? Yes. आगे बढ़े हैं जीवन में? Yes. Okay, चलो। Now the next we have with us is line के बारे में भी सीख लें। नहीं, पहले maximum minimum सीखते हैं। Okay, now ये easy है, थोड़ा important है, ध्यान से देखो। Maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? तो देखो, सब कॉमन सेंस है, क्या इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है। What is this? This is that if this is a circle, this is your center. Okay, इसको हम C मान लो, कुछ भी मान लो, and there is a point P, which is x1, y1. है ना? Now they are asking what is the minimum distance of a point from the circle. तो minimum distance कितना होगा? देखो सी, यहाँ पे बताता हूँ। If this is a point, this is a distance, this is a distance, this is a distance. Take any point on the circle. So this is the distance, this is the distance. So which would be the minimum point? This would be the minimum point. Yes. Maximum point would be, this would be the minimum point. So this end points would be the minimum and maximum. Is this making sense with everyone? Yes. Awesome, guys. So what we're going to do here is, so let's join both of them. So this would be, let's say P1 ले लें, AB ले लिया, चलो MB AB ले लेते हैं, P से कंफ्यूज कर। Okay, so when we talk about minimum distances PA, maximum distance is PB. Everyone with me? Yes. Now how can I find out PC? This is minus G comma minus F. I know C point, I know A point. This is radius R. So can I say, think PA distance. PA distance is total PC from PC, this is PC. Like, okay, this is PC, this is P, this is C. From PC, if I subtract the radius, okay, subtract the radius. If you subtract this part, what you will get is this distance. Yes, this is the minimum. So minimum, what I can write here is PA is equal to, PA would be equal to PC minus R. PC minus R. है ना? क्या PAC? अरे रे इतना confusion. हाँ, PAC minus R and we'll take modulus. Modulus means हो सकता है we can have some like negative sign unnecessarily. तो PC minus R करके modulus will take the positive value. Easy. Calculate this distance. This is PC and this is R. So PC minus R. बढ़िया, आसान. चलो, what is this distance? This is R. What is this? PC. So what I can talk about PB. PB would be, इसको भी मॉडुलस में तो चलो नहीं रखा है, इसे मॉडुलस की जरूरत तो नहीं है, बट ठीक है. चलो PB, when we talk about PB would be total distance. This is PC and plus R, right? Total PC, like this PC plus R is nothing but this distance maximum. Yes. Chalo, everyone with me? So how to find out the minimum distance? If there is a point x1 y1, there is a point x1 y1 and the point is minus G comma minus F. So what is the minimum distance? Minimum distance is which is closest to the circle, like which is closest, to the point on the circumference, which is PA, is going to be total PC, which is the distance from the point to the center minus the radius would give you that, and distance between center to the point plus the radius will give you the maximum distance. Easy. Let's have one question. आसान है, बिल्कुल टफ नहीं है. चलो फटाफट एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. Question is, find the greatest and the least distance of the point. You can pause and try it by yourself also. 10 by 7 from the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20, okay, equal to 0. So let's quickly see this. The first is, there is a circle, there is a point, 10 comma 7. Once you can also check whether the point is inside or outside. That's the reason there was modulus. Oh, chalo badhiya. What does that mean? If the point is inside, okay, if the point is inside, let's say this is P, this point is center. So what is this minimum distance when we talk about? This is the minimum distance, which is nothing but the radius minus PC. Radius minus PC would be the minimum distance. Maximum distance would be PC plus radius. That's the reason. Wow. Okay. चलो मेरा भी दिमाग चला. ऐसे in this way everyone learns, right? Great. ठीक है. If P is outside, no problem. If P is inside, that's the reason we take modulus. ठीक है. समझ में आ गया? PC minus R or R minus PC depending upon that. Yo. Great guys. And I don't have any problem in learning every day. Everyone learns, right? As we discussed, not everyone knows everything and everyone knows something. So that is the case. Okay, learning should never stop. That is the case. Okay, guys, let's have the center. Center is minus 4 upon minus 2, which is 2, and minus 2 upon 2, which is 1. This is our center. Let's find out radius. Radius is under root G square, which is 2 square, which is 4. F square divided by 2, which is 1. 1 square is 1. Minus of minus would give us plus 20 minus C. Okay, G square, F square minus C. Formula we should know. R is root 25, which is 5. Chalo, great. So I got R is 5. Let's say this is P, this is our center C. Let's first calculate PC distance, which is 10 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 1 square. Direct likhna सीखें. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 square, 6 square. 8, 6. Pythagorean triplets are 8, 6, 10. Now we'll go slow. PC is root 8 square plus 6 square 64, 36, 100, 10 है ना. So I will tell you both the ways. Just the point is don't get frustrated. Okay, that's my humble request everyone. Oh sir तो बहुत फास्ट हो गया, फिर स्लो भी बता रहे हैं सर, है ना. दोनों चीजें होंगी. फास्ट इज सो दैट यू ट्राई टू लेवल अप. द पॉइंट इज वी शुड लेवल अप, है ना. तो फील आएगा ना, तो मजा भी आएगा पढ़ने में. ठीक है. सो PC is 10, so it's easy. This is 10. R is nothing but 5. R is nothing but 5. So minimum distance is 10 minus 5, which is 5. Maximum distance is 10 plus 5, which is 15, है ना. अब पूछ लिया डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम विच इज 2R, है ना. तो वो 10 हो जाएगा. 5 and 10 डिफरेंस 2R. तो चलो इजी राइट. लाइक दिस इज द मिनिमम, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. इजी एवरीवन, ऑल विथ मी आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. लेट्स टेक द लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. यस, ग्रेट गाइस. चलो लेट्स टेक द लास्ट. अभी हाँ इस पे ज्यादा ठीक है. पोजिशन ऑफ अ पॉइंट से ही समझ लेंगे. Position of a line with respect to the circle. ठीक है. अब ये क्या कह रहा है, ये क्या कह रहा है, if there is a line, okay, if there is a line, then ठीक है. अब now what are the three cases? Let's quickly, if this is a line, sorry, this is a circle, it can not intersect, it can just touch at one point, or it can intersect at 2 points. Now what is the thing which we're going to use? This is the center C, okay, and the distance between them, let's say this is D and this is radius R. Okay, so yes, if D is greater than R, L is outside, or you can say L does not intersect. Obviously L is the line, and S is the circle. Okay, we don't take C. C is the center. S याद है ना. If this is radius and this is distance, if D is equal to R, L is tangent. L is a tangent at one point. ठीक है, बताइए. If D is less than R, this is R, this is D, then it's a secant. ठीक है. In 2 points, L is a secant, intersect at 2 points. At 2 points. Up point is, you might think, what is D? D is equal to distance of center from the line. ठीक है. तो just calculate this and we'll get the idea. Easy है, ये हम समझ पा रहे हैं. Everyone with me. तो ये हम कर सकते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन देख लें, अच्छा सवाल देख लें सीधा, या चलो थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल देखते हैं पहले. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस. तो एक फॉर्मूला हमें ध्यान रखना. पहले क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. y is equal to 2x plus 1 and let's take any circle as x square y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 1 plus 2 3, है ना. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं करना है, चलो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर ही लेते हैं. Okay, find whether the line will intersect or not, or blah blah blah, what are the cases, and we'll get into depth about this in the next class. ये तो थोड़ा basic level पे हो गया. Okay, so how to check? First is find out the center. Center is -1, -2. Direct लिखना आना चाहिए. Divide by -2, divide by -2, and let's calculate R. Radius is root over 1 square plus 2 square minus of minus plus 5 root 10. Oh ho. ठीक है. R is root 10. Now let's find out, let's say this is a line, let's find out distance D. Okay, how to find out distance D? तो ये हमने पढ़ रखा है, बट सबको अच्छे से याद होना चाहिए. If this is a line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0, point is x1 comma y1. How you can find out the distance D? Perpendicular distance D is given as, substitute this point here, AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon root over A square plus B square. ये ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. Okay, chalo let's quickly find out that. So distance D is, we'll write the equation in standard form, 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. and the point is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, let's substitute minus 1 this is minus 2 plus 1 upon root over 4 plus 1 which is 5. तो ये कितना हो गया 5 नहीं 4, ये कितना हो गया 4 plus 1 4 minus 1 3. Distance is 3 by root 5. Oh, काफी complicated. So D is 3 by root 5. Now see which is greater, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा भी स्क्वायर कर लो तो भी इजी हो जाएगा. R is root 10, R square is 10. वो तो डायरेक्ट दिख ही रहा है 3 by root 5, 3 upon 2 point something, it would be around 1. D square is 9 by 5, है ना? So which is 1 point something. So what we can understand, obviously R is greater than D. और ऐसे मत समझो, ऐसे समझ लो D is less than R. D is less than R means distance कम है, so it means it is a secant intersect 2 points. Yes, देखो यहाँ पे if D is less than R, so L is a secant intersect 2 points. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ में, right? And how we can generally see is other approach what we follow is, तो मैं थोड़ा और बता देता हूँ so it will form a base for the next class. Y अभी एक और क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. Y equal to mx plus c is there. General equation is this. Okay, now what we are seeing is y equal to mx plus c. Substitute here y. Y is mx plus c whole square 2gx 2f5 mx plus c plus c dash ले लो इसको plus c equal to 0. Now the point is, now it's a quadratic in x. Now you will find discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0 means you will get two values of x. What means it is a secant. If d is equal to 0 means you will get two values but which would be same. So we will get 1x like 2x which is same. So it's a tangent. And if d is less than 0 then we will say that no x is possible, means it does not intersect. So this is also a good approach. Make sense? Substitute y here and then basically check. Okay, this is what we'll use even in equation of tangent, derivation of that. So got the point for tangent, d equal to 0 and all. समझ में आया? ग्रेट नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll see this in the next class as well. ठीक है, अब चलो एक क्लास क्वेश्चन लेते हैं, फिर SLQ, then we'll end the class. क्वेश्चन ठीक है. Question is find the range of values of m, है ना? m की range find करनी for which the line y is equal to mx plus 2 cuts the circle at two distinct point. अब देखो इसको दोनों से कर सकते हैं, है ना? मैं फटाफट बताता हूँ. Two distinct point. The first is two distinct point means d is less than r. What is d? D is the distance from center. This is d, this is r. So d should always be less than r because it intersects at 2 points. So first we'll calculate the center. Center is 0, 0. थोड़ा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ क्या? बता दो. This is 0, 0. And let's say this is the line. The line is mx minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Let's calculate distance d. D is given as modulus. We'll substitute 0, 0 which is 2 upon under root m square plus 1 or 1 plus m square. Okay, this is distance. Radius is 1. R is 1. So let's use the condition d is less than r. 2 upon root 1 plus m square is less than 1. Squaring on both the side. 4 upon 1 plus m square is less than 1. 4 by 1 plus m square. How to solve this inequality? Minus 1 less than 0. ठीक है, इसको मैं next slide पे कर दूँ या यहाँ पे भी. चलो next slide पे कर देते हैं. Okay, let's use this on the next slide. 4 upon 1 plus m square minus 1 less than 0. Okay, never cross multiply. Always take it on left side and then solve. 4 minus 1 minus m square upon 1 plus m square less than 0. In this case, you could have done, okay, because 1 plus m square is positive. Because m square minimum value is 0, 0 plus 1 would be 1 only. Okay. So, yeah, this is going to be, क्या हो गया ये 3 minus m square upon m square plus 1 less than 0. Minus common ले लो, हमेशा make this as m square minus 1 and is less than 0. Sorry, greater than 0. See, whenever we take negative common and whenever negative is multiplied with inequality, sign changes. Reason, ठीक है, नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई करने से इनइक्वलिटी साइन चेंज होता है. सो नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाइड, वेयर इज m² + 1, m² इज अ पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव इनटू 0 वुड बी 0. अगर ये नेगेटिव होता देन द केस वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट. तो अभी m² - 3 इज ग्रेटर देन 0. अभी इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, m - √3 m + √3 greater than 0. okay, inequality very very important. if you want lecture in between let me know. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपलोड करने को है बट टाइम कांस्टेंट बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ वो समझना आप लोग. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया √3 -√3. टेक एनी वैल्यू लेस देन -√3 विच इज लेट्स से -1.73 -2 ले लो. चेक द साइन, दिस इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव, इट इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. इट गोज like you can start from here also, plus minus plus. okay, this will always work. So the point is we want so the solution would be, final solution would be m belongs to equal to ले लेना. okay, first they are saying two distinct or coincident. coincident लिखा है क्या हमने, नहीं, two distinct, तो ये ठीक है. so m belongs to -∞ to -3 open bracket union √3 to infinity. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन टफ नहीं था, मैं वापस समझा देता हूँ. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ m फॉर विच दिस लाइन कट्स एट टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट. सो कुछ भी नहीं है, इजी है. दैट d is less than r. so d, you know how to calculate the distance. we substitute the point 0, 0 here in this line. so 2/√ m² + 1. this is less than 1. squaring on both the side, 4/1 + m² less than 1. we'll take 1 here. यहाँ तक भी समझ में आया, 3 - m². now m² + 1, if this is -1 then we would have taken that कि this would become 0. this can never be 0. okay, because m² minimum value is 0. m कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, minimum 0 ही हो सकता है, square value. ठीक है, so 0 into a positive number won't make any difference. we'll take multiply by negative, inequality sign changes. so m - √3 m + √3 and then we'll get from, like, we take any value less than -√3 plus minus plus. this is how it will be. In the question they mention it is coincident also. okay, if they mention at two distinct point or coincident, or coincident means equal to. okay, so here we'll have equal to also, equal to equal to equal to, last में equal to आ जाएगा. so here we'll have just close bracket. that is the difference, in case they are asking. they are not asking, I'm just telling you. ठीक है, okay guys, so ये चलो फटाफट रिवाइज करते हैं. ठीक है, रिवाइज तो हम स्लाइड से कर लेते हैं, then we'll have SLQ in the class. okay guys, कहाँ थे हम लाइफ में, काफ़ी पढ़ाई कर ली क्या आज हमने. क्यों नहीं रही स्लाइड, ओहो नाइस. स्कोप स्कोप स्कोप. ठीक है, ये करेंगे, एक और बीच में रह गया. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. चलो फटाफट स्टार्ट करते हैं. पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म, व्हाट आर पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म. थीटा इज अ पैरामीटर विच लाइज फ्रॉम 0 to 2π, नथिंग बट वी राइट x and y in terms of a third variable ताकि काम आसान बन जाए. okay, so x is equal to a cos theta, y a sin theta. okay, these are the 2 points, and just remember a cos theta, a sin theta are the parameters x, right? so we have seen one basic example. always try to write in capital X, capital Y. capital X is r cos theta, this is x minus x1, which would be eventually x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. ठीक है, then we have seen one example based on that. ठीक है, find the parametric form. it's a good question. okay, so how to write in directly okay, in this format, radius center form. so it's, you know, right, how to use directly the completing the whole square. ठीक है, तो ये सबको आया समझ में. so these are the parameters. okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे फिर हमने क्या किया था लाइफ में, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं किया था, इस स्लाइड पे नहीं किया था. चलो ठीक है. okay, find the radius and okay, if parameters are given, how you can find out equation of circle. if they are asking, let's say equation of circle, इसमें तो डायरेक्ट ही बता सकते हैं, but yes, equation of circle would be nothing but just eliminate theta, which is like cos square plus sin square. okay, so in this way you can write the equation. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. position of a point with respect to circle. the point can be on the circle, outside the circle, inside the circle. this is how we have derived that, but it's very easy to remember. S11 means substitute that point. if that is greater than 0, it is outside, equal to 0 on the circle, less than 0 inside the circle. ठीक है, then we have seen one location and maximum minimum distance. it's easy. calculate the distance between the point and the center, if that distance, and subtract radius and take its modulus. that is the minimum distance. this is the minimum distance. maximum distance would be distance between the point and the center PC plus R, PC minus R. Take the modulus, that is the case. Okay guys, yes, and then we've seen one question based on that. Position of a line with respect to a circle, वो कैसे हमने किया था? If the distance between the center and the line is greater than the radius it is outside on its tangent, less than is secant, right? We have seen that. चलो ठीक है, and then we have seen one example based on that. Okay, फिर एक हमने अच्छा क्वेश्चन देखा कि m की वैल्यू बताओ. This is always there. So if you take any value between, okay, हमने किया क्या था? D is less than R, D is distance, you know distance formula, less than R we have applied, and we'll get this range. Means if you take any value between minus infinity to minus root 3 union root 3 to infinite, this line would always be a secant, right? Chalo, ठीक है guys, so revision done. Yes, hope you enjoyed, hope you understood. Let's have the SLQ. SLQ stands for surprise logical question. Now what we'll do is we'll discuss the answer in the next class. Okay, I'll just give you the SLQ. Meanwhile, in the comment section, you can let me know the answer. SLQ, reverse puzzle. I will give you the example, same example. R plus R is there, so it's sum of R. Sum of R is nothing but summer. ठीक है, तो ये easy, ये तो सबको आता है. Now it's a two words are there. Think. This is our question. Next class, whenever we'll upload the next video, we'll discuss that. Okay, this is there. Okay, so guys, so thank you so much everyone. Hope you enjoyed our today's session. Okay, so we discuss about a lot of things which you know, right? So make sure after the class, like whenever you're watching this, you can watch at 1.5 or 1.5 or 2x. So completely have the revision, solve all the question by yourself, just understand the proof why this are making sense. It will take some time, but trust me, you're gonna start loving the subject and you will fall in love with it, because as soon as we develop the interest, we'll basically learn and we want to solve more questions. That is the approach required. Okay, so hope that is clear with everyone. So thank you so much everyone. I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rankaur signing off. Make sure after the class you revise properly before coming to the next class. Okay, chalo, so everyone take good care of yourself. Bye everyone. Toodles, tata.